The wind brushes past the branches outside my window. Afternoon light spills through the curtain's crack, resting softly in the palm of my hand. And I think of him, the one born of light, Satoru Gojo. The wind brushes past the branches outside my window. Afternoon light spills through the curtain's crack, resting softly in the palm of my hand. And I think of him, the one born of light, Satoru Gojo. His eyes resemble a night sky filled with stars, yet cold as a frozen lake, untouched for 1,000 years. Those eyes do not belong to the mundane world. They are perhaps a gem the heavens dropped in a final effort to preserve some lingering tenderness in humankind. People call him the strongest, a name that echoes through the world of sorcerers, a solitary shield between chaos and order. But I know beneath that impenetrable power, he is merely a child who holds fate above his head. A young man who once tried to hide his exhaustion and sorrow behind a crooked smile and arrogant words. He always smiled lazily, mockingly, as if nothing could touch him. He said, "Because I'm the strongest," like a white plum blossom standing stubbornly in the snow, swaying gently in the icy wind. But behind that jest, there was a loneliness no one could share. While others walked upon the earth, he was forced to stand in the sky. He became a shield for humankind, but not a heart understood by them. I remember the look in his eyes when he was young, warm, naive, full of ideals. He once said he wanted to change the world. He looked so serious then, like a flower blooming too early on a frosty morning, fragile but unwavering. He and Suguru Geto once walked side by side, two boys reaching toward the light, believing they'd greet the spring together. But fate never respects dreams. After that summer, everything changed. Geto left, stepping into the abyss, and Satoru stood alone at the boundary between light and darkness. He smiled more, spoke lighter, but his gaze grew distant, like a frozen lake under the snowfall, still and too quiet. Some call him cold, some call him arrogant, but I saw him standing alone in the sky, watching the city lights of Tokyo below. He never feared the dark.